not even open and they let me in. Look at this. I love it. Oh, sweet. Wow. So many cool things to check out here. So that guy who said this is a definite place to explore with kids was right. Look at that. Sweet. Old fire truck. There's the doors they would go through. All the little fire. I love it. Thinking about my friend Rick, firefighter. My daughter who wants to be a firefighter. I love it. Transportation stuff. I wonder if there's anything more upstairs. I think there is. Let's go check it out. Nice. Wow, this is a big Firehouse Museum. Nice. Oh, look at all the different houses through the years. Seen history make itself. Nice. Oh my gosh, they have a bedroom up here. What it look like in the house? Bunk rooms, not bedrooms, bunk rooms. There's a pole. Get down fast. Oh, here's all the different generation firefighters. Momentums. Oh, nice. There's the chief. There's the chief. There's the lockers. And of course, this is how they kill time. While they're waiting to protect us. Look at those boots. Wow. Definitely a place to check out. Right? I love it. Key West. Anybody interested in firefighting, firefighter history, this is a place to go, for sure.